I think it's moving chickens day, Bird. Our chickens have been in this little run that we made them for over a week now. So we are going to move them over this way a little bit. We're gonna have to pull up each T-post individually and everybody grab a T-post and walk it over. Kind of our version of a non-electrified poultry net.
Fart, Ellie.
Okay, will you get that, hold on, birdie bird. Will you guys grab that or grab that one, either one of them, to herd the chickens into? Hold on. Hold on, birdie. Hold on 1 second, please. Stella is gonna need water.
I think that the ducks need water.
Careful, watch her so she doesn't cut herself. Heel. Go put it in with the bunnies.
Oh, careful with her back, please.
Oh, watch her back, Kaden, so she doesn't scrape her back. There you go. Good job, birdie. Thank you. All right, Hattie, you gonna go in there? You're gonna go in this big one and you're gonna herd the chickens into that one. So go in there real quick.
You got that first, David? Pull it up a little.
Kaden will help you.
Okay, hurdle the chickens in here. Ellie, come here.
Go herd your chickens into the coop.
Ellie, you're gonna get in here. Go into the chicken coop. And you're gonna go and chase them into this little one, okay?
Be careful. But the other one got out, so you're still at one. This is where the chickens were, and we just moved the fence this way. We just moved them over one fence width. We just basically unwrapped the fencing and then moved this set of T-posts right here over the same width it was already at, and then rewrapped the fencing. Just made it quick and easy, or as quick and easy as we could, so that they have fresh grass and they're not tearing up that little spot too much.
It's almost broken, you can get it. One more hit. Oh yeah, I gotta do this.
Now we're going to make a little tripod out of some scrap lumber so that when we pull that tarp back over, it'll be pitched so the water will run off. It gives more headspace for when the girls go in and feed the chickens and give them water.
You need to buy yourself a new drill. Probably in Milwaukee fuel. Mark strain. I didn't, yeah I did, I didn't, yeah I did.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to do next. All right, our Fort Knox for chickens is up. And now we're shooing them out of this.
We got the spikes.
Our run is moved, the chickens are unloaded from their little temporary cage, and we're gonna lock them up for the evening. Today I finally ended up making that potato soup recipe of my friend Carolyn's of Homesteading Family. I'm gonna try and leave her link in the description below. She has a really great canning class, and along with that class comes a few really great recipes. But I made that recipe to pressure can, and I'm waiting for that to finish up, but I made a double batch so we could have potato soup for dinner tonight too. So the kids are gonna serve up some potato soup, and Brandon and I are going to dig up some potatoes in the garden. We have 2 rows of potatoes here. I don't even know if you can determine the difference between the potato rows or our weeds, but we're gonna dig them up. So we have 2 30-foot rows of potatoes that I just planted from grocery store potatoes. I had organic gold potatoes from Kroger that were growing eyes, so I planted those, and we'll just see what comes up. It might be nothing, and I'm okay with that. And if it's something little, then that's cool too. We will just eat them fresh. Well, keep them for fresh eating, but here goes nothing. What you got, Hattie Patty? A baby one? Oh yeah. He's gonna be talking throughout the whole video.
Right? That's a weed. Yeah. Okay, let's try this one, Hattie. Okay, stand back. Okay. Let's see where it is.
I can't. Kaden can hold it. Mama's hands are full.
There. Hold on. You're getting a little wild on me here. This is where the ants were bugging us.
Oh yeah, we had a bunch of
The
ants.
soil's pretty hard right here, so maybe that is why. They did pretty small right here. Okay. Okay. Let's open up here. Up. Yep. Okay, what are we doing? Watch yourself.
Don't gouge the potato.
Try not to. Hold on. Hold on, big jumper.
Good job.
Just a couple more small ones. Okay, let me do this one because the ants.
Oh, those are, is that ant larvae?
Probably.
Gross.
Mom, can I pick up the holding apple?
Sure. As soon as I pull this up. Or
I'm always left.
She does? Why?
Yeah, don't ask Dad. He says no every
Are
time.
you the favorite daughter?
Ooh. That's a big one. Oh, that's some out.
You put only one potato per thing, right? They're eating them. That was my question.
they are.
Yeah, they were
Bummer.
little white
Planted
pieces.
these, my
I was
question
like,
was,
are they...
does one potato
Yeah.
equal one potato?
What is
But
that?
no, it equals more.
Are they biting you?
No, look, there's meat on it.
There's a grub
It's a grub.
too. That could have been eating them too. I don't know. Okay, let's see.
There's
There's quite a
loaded
bit
in
on that
that.
one. Let's see.
That's not good.
Alright guys, that's it for our potato harvest. It wasn't bad. I mean, from a free bag of Kroger potatoes, it grew something that we'll eat. That's probably one batch of mashed potatoes for my crew. But I'm grateful. We had some ant issues, and we definitely need to fertilize and compost and mulch better. Sorry guys, our card ran out of space while we were outside in the garden finishing up our potato harvest. But I wanted to pop in here real quick before we all head off to bed tonight and just tell you thank you so much for hanging out with us, and we will see you on the next one.